Have you ever wondered why some countries produce more fundamental talents than others? Today, we're diving into the impact of culture on basketball talent development and why it's so significant in the world of sports. Understanding these cultural influences can give us a deeper appreciation of the games we love. Cultural factors play a huge role in how fundamental talent is nurtured and developed. From the way children are introduced to sports, to the coaching methods, to the support from the community, it all varies greatly from one culture to another. Let's talk about how cultural values, traditions, and societal norms shape the approach to training, coaching, and player development. For example, in the United States, the emphasis is often on athleticism and individual skill development. Coaches focus on building versatile players who can perform in various positions. In contrast, countries like Spain and Argentina emphasize teamwork, passing, and strategic play from a young age. Their training programs are designed to cultivate these skills, resulting in players who excel in coordination and tactical understanding. Cultural diversity brings different playing styles, strategies, and skills to the forefront of the game. Think about the precision and discipline of European players, the flair and creativity of South American talents, and the sheer athleticism of American athletes. This diversity enriches the sport, making it more exciting and dynamic. Understanding and embracing these diverse cultural influences can enhance sport talent development globally. It allows us to appreciate the unique contributions of players from different backgrounds and helps the sport evolve in new and exciting ways. What do you think? How does culture impact sport talent development? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on sports and culture. Let's keep the conversation going and celebrate the diversity in our game.